Hello everyone, this is Emmy with the Wauconda Area Public Library here with my trusty assistant Boo the Fox, and we are making this positive negative harvest art this week. So in your craft kit you receive a template and 2 pieces of cardstock, one colored and one white. You'll need your coloring supplies of choice, scissors, and glue. For our first step, we are going to cut out our template. I'll start with removing the white border around the template, cutting it down the middle, and then cutting out the apple of each of the halves. So in theory, this is enough template to make 2 of these positive negative arts. So when I'm left with my 2 template pieces, I'll trace one of them onto our colored cardstock and the other. Then cut each of those out. When my pieces are both cut, I can trace the outer piece and use it as a guide to add a border to my white cardstock. And as always, we'd love it if you could share your take and make crafts with us. You can share those at Wauconda Area Library on Facebook and Instagram. Winter registration will soon be opening, so keep an eye out in your mail for our winter newsletter coming very, very soon. Once my border's in place, I can add any pattern or design I'd like to the back. I went with simple backgrounds with fall colors, but you can be as creative as you'd like. Now that I'm finished coloring in my background, I can glue that colored cardstock into place. So I am lining up my outer piece to the border lines that we drew earlier and gluing that in place. And then my inner piece, I'm gluing to the other half. And that is it for our positive negative harvest art. Thank you so much for joining me and Blue. Please make sure to like the video and hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you next week with a new Take and Make craft. Bye!